how to block pop-ups on your Samsung in seconds on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, click on this search icon and search internal settings. So you will see internal setting is here, so click on internal settings. So after click on internal settings, scroll down and click on privacy dashboard. So after click on privacy dashboard, so you will see block pop-ups is here. So if you want to block pop-ups, so first of all turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see block pop-up is blocked. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can block pop-ups on your Samsung in seconds on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.